Hello everyone, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'm going to be doing a straight pour, a wandering straight pour using my 5-chamber split cup. I've been watching so many other artists do this, Fiona, Mina, my friend Brian from Brian's Upper Valley Artistry, doing some beautiful, beautiful wandering straight pours. So I'm going to give it a go also. But I also thought I would take this opportunity. I see a lot on the Facebook groups and people ask about things like how to build a color palette or suggestions on what to do with a certain color, that kind of thing. So I thought I'd take a second to tell you how I created this color palette. So it started with these two colors. I love turquoise and copper together. So this is Amsterdam's turquoise green, and this is Artist Loft copper. I absolutely love these colors together. They're bright, but very strongly contrasting. So I built my color palette around these two colors. I like a little bit of balance in my color palette. So I have added another turquoise, but this one a much deeper color. This one is Golden's heavy body turquoise. So you can see that there's a strong contrast between these two colors, but because they are both turquoise, it creates some balance. And these are cool colors. This is a warm color. So for another warm color, I created this one. So this is a mix of Amsterdam's Crimson, which was just a little too bright for me. I wanted it to be a little more of an earthy tone. So I added in some Amsterdam's Yellow Ochre. So it softened that bright, vibrant red down and made it kind of like a terracotta red color. I think it's going to be gorgeous in this palette. And then, so we've got contrast and we have balance, and I am going to add in some Amsterdam Titanium White also. I think it's one of my favorite color combinations with this dark turquoise, and it will lighten the entire thing up. So that's how I built my color palette, and this is how I'm going to layer my cup. So I'm going to put the turquoise in the center and the copper right beside it because I love those colors together. And then I'm going to put the dark turquoise here, the white, and then that earthy red color next to the copper. So there we go. I'm going to go ahead and start layering. I also have some leftover paints. This is a mix of black and white and silver and gold and lots of different earth tones, neutrals. I just kind of created a big slop bucket of all of those kind of colors together, and you'll see that this is a little bit thinner. My base coat color is a little bit thinner than, let me show you using this color, than my pour colors. So you can see that this leaves a mound on a mound on a mound. All of my colors are mixed with mix pour today. I have not added any water to any of these. So 6 parts paint to 1 part, or 6 parts mix pour to 1 part paint, except for the heavy body, which was 6 parts mix pour to a 1/2 part paint. So there we go. So let's go ahead and layer our cup. We'll start with the outside edge. This canvas is a 20 by 28 inch canvas. So I need at least 20 ounces of paint for this size canvas. And this split cup holds 25. So I will have more paint than I need, but that gives me the opportunity to choose which parts of the composition that I want to keep and which parts I want to get rid of. So a little extra is never a bad thing. And the turquoise green next to that copper. Ooh, I'm so excited about that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Just like it is. Love it. That little crossbar on the middle of this canvas is giving me fits here. There we go. And then I'm going to put the dark turquoise right next to the turquoise green. I apologize for the cars in the construction noise happening here. My little temporary studio is in the busiest part of town, so there's always a little bit of background noise. I can't do anything about it. But here we go with the last chamber. This is the white. Fill those right up to the top. And I can set these off to the side. Ooh, I love these colors. Okay. Now let's put our base coat down.
Soul. I ain't someone you bring to mama's house. Do you believe? Do you believe when I say time is so thief and love is so grief and all you will ever see me do is acting like the man you'll never understand. But baby, don't leave. Baby, don't leave. Save me. Save me. You gotta save me. Save me. Save me. You gotta save me. Save me. Save me. I've got these demons going on inside. Your love is the only way to satisfy. Show me the road where I see the light. Do you believe? Do you believe when I say no medication, no meditation will ever work like you do? Save me. touch the ground. Someone please hear me. Oh, here we go. Feelings overflow. I don't really know what tone, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh, here we go. Feelings overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, my hopeless soul. Oh, here we go. Feelings overflow. I don't really know what tone, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh, here we go. Feelings overflow. I don't know where to go. Yeah, my hopeless soul.
So here we have the wet result of the wandering straight pour in kind of southwest colors. I'm really digging this. This is so cool. Really great motion. That turquoise and the copper and the red. Wow, so pretty. I'm really glad that I added the white because it really lightens the whole thing. And I'm not mad about that that kind of metallic-y gray color then there. It adds another earth tone element. So let me come in. This section over here is my favorite. I love where all of those colors are together. You can see the turquoise green, that terracotta red and the copper, and the dark turquoise as well. This section over here, so pretty. Love that. And then there's some more solid sections of white and dark turquoise up here, but look at those turquoise green lines coming through that. Ooh, so pretty. I love the shape of that white section there is really cool. Very organic looking. The little tendrils of white coming into the dark turquoise there are pretty too. And yeah, and up into this area. Gosh, I just love that turquoise and the red and copper together. So pretty. I love it. I think there's really good balance between the reds and the turquoises in this. Yeah, I'm really happy. I'm gonna try this again. I love the motion of that, so cool. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video also. Go check out Mina and Brian with Brian's Upper Valley Artistry and Fiona Art if you'd like to see more of these. And stay tuned for more on my channel too, I think. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and stay tuned for dry results. So here are the dry results of the Wandering Straight Pour. I'm super happy with how this dried. That red has deepened and darkened a bit, so that copper is really showing so well, especially with a bit of light reflecting off of it. I'm still just super happy with this upper right-hand corner, at least in this orientation. The details are just gorgeous. I love that feathering effect. I love the copper and that turquoise green together. That deep turquoise gives it a lot of depth, and that kind of terracotta red really is striking with these other colors. I love this kind of swoopy motion of the negative space that comes up there and the way it kind of balances out the two sides. I'm happy that there's red on this corner and red in this corner, but then it's blue here and blue up here. So yeah, really great balance. I'm happy with that too. I love this section right here. Ooh, so pretty. And that little hint of red coming through the white there is really nice. Yeah, I had a little goober that I had to pull out right there, so messed up my lines a little bit, but that's just part of fluid art. I'm really happy with this. I love the mix pour because it dries with a natural sparkle or natural shine. and then you get the extra reflective quality of that copper. Yep, really happy with this. I hope you like it too. Please give me a thumbs up if you'd enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more, and come back and see me sometime.